Hey gang, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm making this video for you guys. So hari ni aku ada masuk entry position with a profit at this level here. This is the Euro GBP guys, Euro GBP, and I'm making 84 pips in one day. Alright, Euro GBP. Okay, first thing first, I got a setup here. As you can see, we have this first support here, and then we have a breakout which is act as a resistance in the future. So expectation is 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. 5 acting resistance, so I need to take the actions right now at this level. So at this 12 o'clock, I'm seeing there is a close here, as you can see from the candlestick here. Let me zoom in for you guys. Alright, 12 o'clock, I have this type of candlestick closing in. Right, the rules are activations and confirmations, right? Right, so that is our rules. So you need to obey our rules. So you need to see your level is activated or not. So this is the previous Friday candlestick. Right, the price goes up and then shows some action. Right, we can assume that there is an activation here. The price go back again, and then boom, what happened? We have another activation here, right? So the price moving in, this is the close of the Friday, and then this is the Monday, and this is the 12 o'clock close right here, right? So when this type of happen, this is, I said, that's it. Inshallah, I'm going to take my action towards this. Right, at this level, I've directly manually entered right here, and then my SL is just like above this highs, right? This highs here. So maybe I'm willing to lose maybe 12 bucks, right? 12 bucks, and then I'm making right now like at this level. There is an arrow here, but I already delete all the arrows, right? The position that I'm taking in. Alright, so I've already closed my account. I already closed my position, which is I have intraday for today. Intraday, so just, you know, I don't like to trade at Monday and Tuesdays, so just I said that's it, just this is for the day, and then let's check opportunity for tomorrow, because there's uncertainty always happen in Monday and Tuesdays, right? So I'm taking my action here and my SL over here. So if this SL has been touched or triggered, I'm going to lose 12 bucks, but instead of going downwards, now I'm making 22 bucks, right? 22 bucks with my lot. So there is a 1 or 2 ratios, which is sacrificing 12 to celebrate 22. Maybe I supposed to go for 24, but 22 is good for me, right? 22 is good for me. It's still 1 and 2 ratio, right? So it's good for me, right now. So I'm profit at 22 bucks, and I'm close the position, and we are looking for the next day opportunity. Alright, so just like I'm discussing to you guys about my GBP JPY here, which is the last video I believe, and we got no touch or we got no retest from it, but we can quickly assume that this is already been touched, right? This is already been touched. You can see this activation and then the confirmation, right? We have this activation and confirmation happen, but I don't take that trade. I already PO my position here, and then the next morning we have a gap right here, and the gap is being filled right now, and we are really off the roof, right? If you can calculate right here, you already celebrate 188 pips, right? 188 pips. So as you can see, as a proof, right? As a proof to you guys that this is the trade that I insert Euro GBP, just like as you can see right here. Right, we have this Euro let me change the color first, right? So you guys can see we have this 20 cent pips. I only enter 20 cent lots, right? Sell position, and then the pair is Euro GBP, and the price is 0. I'm starting to sell at 8.6 maybe, yep, and my TP is 0.84. so you can do the math, right? Calculate how the pips calculated within the price and my TPs, right? So the price I close is 0.8528. This is the automatically close. I said that's it. I'm done for today. So the price here at 0.86 to 0.85. So this is nearly 100 pips, right? This is nearly 100 pips, almost. But I think this is an 84 pips, if I'm not mistaken. 84 pips only. So it's good for me. It's good for me, right? Okay, so that's for the Euro GBP. And let's go for another. The JPY really leave us at the market, right? Leave us really sacrificing us, leaving us from this level and directly go up top. So it's fine. It's fine. Don't try to chase by buying at this level. Remember, just buy on your buy on the levels, not on the the current price. Okay, and sell on the level of the level that allows you to sell, not selling at the area that didn't allow you to sell. All right. So the structure is so nice. Why? Because we have a resistance right here. Okay, we have a resistance, strong resistance, break, and that acts as support, act as a support, act as a support, still act as a support in the future, inshallah. If the price tends or manage to go downwards here and still acting as a support, inshallah. Right? So that's for JPY. Maybe we can forget about this, and then we are looking for some counter trend movement. As you can see, this is an inverse head and shoulder. Why? Because we have this kind of movement, right? We have that kind of movement. So only focusing on buying right here, right now we are in the uptrend swing, right? You are in an uptrend swing, creating another highs and lower lows. We are in an uptrend swing. So if you want to see for a buying opportunity, you need to wait for this to break out and then goes up, right, like that, right? So right now maybe we can counter trend here, right? So counter trend here, maybe not go far until the price breaking down. So anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. All right, so you need to see what is your current trend right now, right? Okay, as you can see right here, still maybe we can having an opportunity right here. I think this is the GBP USD. Yeah, here I think we can get an opportunity, right? But GBP of back on these days, I have entered. If you remember, I entered a position right here, and then my SL within this kind of level, but it's getting triggered and really follows my direction. Okay, so it is quietly a messed up. So if I can see another opportunity right here, maybe some activation and confirmation right here, or another bearish engulfing, maybe I can take a position to ride the trend downwards. So the potential profit will be 230 pips, right? So that is the same with JBP, JPY. So we are looking for to close to counter trend the trade, right? Just like this level, I think this level will be our level of countering trend. Okay, so we need to see the activation first and then the confirmation, right? First, then we enter the market. If not, there is no such thing we're going to enter the market blindly, because I've lost so much money in the game. So really need to take a step up, or take good care of my financial capital, right? So for Euro GBP, if we manage to close like this, and then we can see some opportunity to counter trend the trade. If not, if the price really breaks down, this level of support will be turned into a resistance. We wait for the pullback here, and then we are riding the trend downwards. Alright, so that's all for me. I want to share it for you. There's a lot of things to share, but please stay tuned. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm Mohamed Afieq, your currency analyst. That's all from me, guys. I'll see you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.